Hi, my name is Alan, and I've been learning Python for a year or so. So here, we're just doing all the and for my code here, we're just doing all the imports. Now we're saying all the colors we'll be needing, and then here we have all the classes that will make the characters move and shoot the bullets. And then now we have to do the screen height and width to see how big the screen would be. And right here, we're adding the background. And here we're adding the block. And then here we add the player. And here is how fast the screen is. And here's all how to move the player and how to make him shoot. And as you shoot all the blocks, you get 1 point right here. So that is my code, and now I'm going to run it and play the game. So here, as you can see, the dog is shooting lasers at the cats. And here it says what my score is. Um, and thank you for watching.